Hi, today I'm introducing ParkPulse, an AI operating loop for live amusement parks. Park operations are dynamic, complex, and coordination-heavy. ParkPulse uses LLM-powered agents to handle messy context, connect the right workflows, and lift the heavy works. ParkPulse uses Google Cloud for live infrastructure, Vertex AI Gemini for agent reasoning, Cloud Run for the private backend, PubSub and EventArc for live signals, Firebase-style messaging for guest and worker notifications, and BigQuery for decision and outcome telemetry. It uses MongoDB for operational memory, park profiles, playbooks, incidents, guest messages, agent decisions, and eval results. The platform has 5 key parts: Ops Loop, Trace Audit, Event Agent, Agent Handshake, and Guest Triage plus Employee Training. First is the Ops Loop, followed directly by Trace Audit. ParkPulse reads the live park state, from guest volume, ride weights, food pressure, to unexpected incidents. It turns those signals into an operating problem and routes them through the right specialist agents. The model does not blindly choose an action. The deployed V2 compromise mediator compares candidate actions, balances scores against real trade-offs, records the winning proposal, shows rejected options, and explains the executive decision. As the loop runs, it keeps checking incidents and various risk-to-policy boundaries. From there, it can recommend bounded actions to relieve park stress and improve recoveries. Before anything moves forward, the policy book decides whether the action is allowed, needs review, or must be blocked. Only bounded, receiver-safe actions can dispatch. Trace Audit. Trace Audit governs the loop by connecting traces, policy references, review sessions, similar cases, MongoDB memory, and missing proof. Operators can see not just what ParkPulse recommends, but whether the decision is traceable, policy-aligned, and ready to trust. Next is the Event Agent. Parks plan parades, festivals, seasonal overlays, VIP routes, or accessibility journeys. The Event Agent uses MongoDB venue memory with the full park profiles to create grounded plans, routes, signage, app copy, staff scripts, review notes, and publish-ready packages. Gemini turns the context into clear options, while MongoDB keeps every plan tied to real zones, paths, policies, accessibility details, food locations, and brand rules. Agent Handshake. ParkPulse is not just a UI or API endpoint, it is an agent-to-agent handshake layer. The outside agent is an external entity, a guest's personal AI, a supplier agent, or another company's system. ParkPulse cannot automatically trust it. So before giving a plan, ParkPulse verifies who the agent represents, what proof it has, what data it may share, what actions it may take, and what must stay blocked. A guest agent can request a family plan with allergy and wait time constraints. A supplier agent can request restock support without bypassing procurement or food safety rules. Unlike a post request, ParkPulse negotiates, checks authority, blocks unsafe actions, routes work to internal agents, and signs a receipt. The result is a verified plan, allowed actions, approval required actions, internal handoffs, and passport memory for the next interaction. The final feature is guest triage and employee training. A guest might ask, where is vegetarian food near the coaster? Or report something urgent, like a lost child, heat illness, or accessibility need. ParkPulse reads the exact message, classifies the issue, scores urgency, assigns the owner, and creates a ticket when needed. The LLM response panel drafts a guest-facing reply grounded in the active venue profile, so it can reference real locations with boundaries. That same memory flows into employee training. Staff training generates role-play scenarios from real guest patterns, messy notes, repeated issues, and prior incidents, turning each interaction into better frontline preparation. To wrap up, ParkPulse is not just answering questions. It is a memory-powered, policy-gated operating loop. Google Cloud gives it real-time agents, event routing, approvals, notifications, and evaluation. MongoDB gives it durable park memory. Together, ParkPulse helps parks act faster, prove why they acted, and learn before the next incident.